The chocolate vine, scientifically known as Akebia quinata, is an enchanting climbing plant admired for its unique fragrance, ornamental foliage, and edible fruits. Native to East Asia, particularly Japan, China, and Korea, this semi-evergreen vine has earned a reputation as both a beautiful garden feature and an invasive species in some regions. Its combination of lush greenery, purple flowers, and intriguing fruits makes it a favorite among gardeners and plant enthusiasts around the world. Botanical characteristics. The chocolate vine belongs to the Lardizabaceae family. It is a vigorous deciduous or semi-evergreen climber that can reach heights of up to 30 to 40 feet, 9 to 12 meters, under favorable conditions. The plant's name comes from the delightful chocolate-like fragrance produced by its flowers, particularly during spring. The vine's leaves are palmately compound, meaning each leaf consists of 5 small, oval leaflets arranged like the fingers of a hand. These leaflets are bright green in spring and summer, sometimes turning purplish in autumn. The stems are slender, flexible, and twining, enabling the plant to climb fences, trellises, and even trees with ease. Flowers and fragrance. The flowers of the chocolate vine bloom in clusters during April and May. They are small but striking, with a purple, maroon, or chocolate brown hue. The fragrance is often described as sweet and reminiscent of cocoa or vanilla, which is the reason behind its common name. Interestingly, Akebia quinata produces 2 types of flowers on the same plant, male and female. The female flowers are slightly larger, with 3 petals, while the male flowers are smaller and more numerous. Pollination is typically carried out by bees or other insects attracted by the sweet scent. Fruits and edibility. One of the most intriguing aspects of the chocolate vine is its fruit. The plant produces purple sausage-shaped pods, measuring about 2 to 4 inches, 5 to 10 centimeters, in length. When ripe, usually in late summer to early autumn, the pod splits open to reveal a white, jelly-like pulp filled with small black seeds. The pulp is edible and sweet, often compared to lychee or passion fruit in flavor. In Japan and China, the fruit is sometimes eaten fresh or used in traditional desserts. The outer pod, although not eaten raw, can be cooked and stuffed with ingredients like meat or rice, making it a versatile plant in culinary traditions. Cultivation and growing conditions. The chocolate vine is easy to grow and thrives in a variety of conditions. It prefers well-drained soil and can tolerate both full sun and partial shade. However, flowering tends to be more prolific when the plant receives ample sunlight. It is a hardy plant, tolerating temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the region. The vine grows rapidly, often requiring regular pruning to control its spread. Because of its vigorous nature, it is excellent for covering walls, pergolas, and arbors, creating a lush green canopy. Gardeners often plant Akebia quinata for ornamental purposes due to its attractive foliage and exotic flowers. However, in some areas, particularly parts of the United States, it is considered invasive, as it can spread quickly and outcompete native plants. Propagation. Propagation of the chocolate vine can be done through seeds, cuttings, or layering. Seed germination takes place in spring, while softwood cuttings are usually taken in early summer. Layering, where a vine segment is bent down to the ground and covered with soil to form roots, is another effective method. Uses and cultural significance. Beyond its ornamental beauty, the chocolate vine holds cultural and medicinal importance. In traditional Chinese medicine, parts of the plant, particularly the stems, known as Akebia caulis, are used for their anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties. They are believed to promote circulation and relieve pain. In gardens, the plant is admired for its aesthetic versatility. It provides shade, privacy, and a decorative element for fences and trellises. The combination of fragrant flowers and edible fruits adds both beauty and practicality. Environmental impact and caution. While the chocolate vine is undeniably beautiful, it requires careful management. In regions with mild winters, it can spread aggressively and form dense mats that smother other vegetation. Gardeners are advised to prune regularly and avoid planting it near natural forests or wild habitats. Conclusion. The chocolate vine, Acabia quinata, is a captivating plant that embodies a rare balance of aesthetic charm, fragrance, and usefulness. From its chocolate-scented flowers to its unusual fruits, it offers a multi-sensory experience for gardeners and nature lovers alike. However, its vigorous growth demands responsible care and control. When managed properly, the chocolate vine can be a delightful and exotic addition to gardens, a symbol of elegance, nature's creativity, and botanical beauty.